Q&A Monday.
Hi!
She's still waking up, you know.
I am.
Yeah.
Monday.
All right, so we've got a fantastic question that came in over the weekend from Sam. And Sam is saying, how do I pick artwork for a room in my home?
It can be tricky
Oh my
because artwork can be really expensive.
Yes.
And making a bad choice, it's going to cost you. So
Mhm.
artwork, yes. I think I like size. Size matters. Like if you have a very big wall, don't put a tiny, teeny, weeny artwork on the wall.
No.
We like bigger the better. Make a statement with your artwork. If your wall is too big just for one piece, maybe have two together. You can even have clusters of artwork together. Maybe above a sofa, don't let it stick out on the sides of the sofa. So basically have it like a frame inside the sofa.
Yep. And, you know, colours of your artwork. If you have a wall that is, you know, let's say a colour like this, it's kind of like a green olivey colour, then make sure that you pick an artwork that has some of those colours in, you know, or even some of the colours that is already in your space. So your furniture, your accessories, you know, or even some of those pieces that you absolutely love, bring some of those colours in.
Yeah. And I think if you want to make it pop, make sure that the frame you use is a contrasting color. If you want it to flow with your wall, choose a frame.
Sorry, I couldn't hold it in anymore.
Excuse her. Anyway, are you okay?
It's like sitting
She was so shocked.
Sitting in church wanting to cough and you can't.
Anyway, if you want your artwork to blend with your wall, choose a frame that's similar color to your wall.
Yes. And then there's things like, do you want it, you know, what to consider frames as well. A lot of artwork places online actually gives you the opportunity to choose the frame. So do you want a wooden frame? Do you want, you know, a black frame? If you've got some black furniture, you know, probably go for the black frame so that, again, what is on your wall matches some of the tones and colors in your space. And then also you got to think, do you want it horizontal or do you want it, you know, vertical, horizontal? Because, you know, you don't want to order something that is vertical and you only have a horizontal space for it. So you really got to think about the layout of your artwork.
And whether it's going to be canvas or with glass in front. So if you position your artwork opposite a window, sometimes the glare, you cannot really see the picture. So in that case, canvas might be good. Canvas is also good if you don't want to draw holes in your walls. If you want artwork with glass, just make sure it's positioned so you don't get the glare and you can actually see the artwork very well where it's positioned.
Yeah.
If you're not sure, drop us a line and we're happy to help you out as well.
Yep, anytime.
Bye.
Happy artwork hunting.
Yeah,
Bye.
enjoy. Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I've been really super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, you know, themselves, you know, while styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.